All right, we are back again. Welcome to part four. Oh crap! My bad. Gonna do some more progress. Played around a little bit. Made this really cool thing. Like, what's this? Whoa! You could make like a zoetrope on here. You know what a zoetrope is? Like a disc. You put a bunch of little pictures on it. When you spin it, it like animates. They're really cool. Okay. Let's fill these in. And you do shift clicks on those so they all become a single shape. Object, fill, and stroke. Make sure you're on fill. Eyedropper tool right here. Just carry that over. It's like a off-white eggshell. It's what's that? American Psycho when he pulls out the business card. It's eggshell white. I really like this picture of the cat. See, this didn't fill in right here because this gap was a little too small for the distance that I was zoomed in at. So I'm gonna a little bit. Fix that little white part, and then right here I'm gonna give it a little bit more room to fill in. Okay. Hopefully that's enough. Maybe up here might need a little bit more room. If I bring this down, make this part here kind of the same all the way across. Little detail, but I'm gonna fix this little bump. Bring this behind. Dip there. Let's try filling it again. Before we do that, let me just fix this here. Okay. So we press U for our fill tool. That's pretty good. And then our eyedropper tool, that's D. So when I zoom in and out like this, I'm having to press Control. If you scroll regularly, it goes up and down like this. So to zoom in and out, you have to press Control and zoom. So eyedropper tool on the cat's face. And then to move around like the image, it's a middle mouse button. Click the middle mouse button. So your scroll wheel, and you can move the image. And then control and mouse wheel in and out to zoom. So now the cat's head. Whoa. That's so cool. Oh, look at that. Looks like a cool logo. Bring it to the back. So now we press U, fill in that, shift, click on this one so they become a single object. Then S, and then D, middle mouse button clicks, grab that color. Send this one down with end, page up until you find it. See, when you're doing when you're pressing end, like send stuff to the back, all of what I've drawn is like layers, layers and layers and layers and layers, a ton of them. So if you were to mess up something over here, these are like the early layers. So it's kind of tricky because you're having to deal with every single layer that you've added to this point. That's why sometimes if you stick an image over here, it's not doing it. These are like later images, or these are like later layers. But watch this. If I page up, you'll see all the different layers. Watch. It takes forever. Boom. It lags even. So many. Yeah, I had some images kind of here for kind of reference on like these kind of cartoons like Adventure Time. They're so clean and simple. All the details are just so simple. Rounded, everything's just rounded and simple. Like, look at all the details they add. And it really makes the scene pop. Little lines and puddles, shading. It's very simple two color shading. Little details like this are really cool. Rivets on pipes, like very cool little details. Another show that does this is Super Jail on Adult Swim. It's a really funny show. Look at all the little details they add. And you can tell like this stuff's like hand drawn, like very hand drawn style. Cool. Okay. The shirt. Should we just do them both pink on this one? And this, I'm just gonna leave it like this, like a lump coming off of there. I just think it's funny. Lumps, no fingers. Him right here. When he's holding something, yeah, you can add, fingers or detail right there. The little handgun thing, hand shape. Okay, let's fill these. These. These two. Upper there. This comes together so cool. On the line art, very tedious and stuff, but it all just kind of starts coming together. So satisfying. It really is. It's worth putting in the work. Like, just to kind of hang in there and put in the work. Learn from your mistakes. So your shortcuts. Shortcuts help so much. And as soon as I said that, I didn't use one, which was D. U was for the eyedropper. So U was for the fill. And we press D for the eyedropper. And page up, page up. This picture here is so funny. It's every single frame he looks different. Like I said, it's so hard to just draw a character over and over again in different positions and shapes and uh, poses and stuff like that. Kind of like it's that Walt Disney thing of like he drew Mickey Mouse over and over again until he finally was able to do it every time the same. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It's looking good, looking good, looking good. Let me press D for the eyedropper. The color. U. Go ahead and fill all these in. Then we press S for the select tool, and we'll start with this one. And then press D for the eyedropper tool. Go to a point where we had the bag as a side, so let's do that. S select tool, select this one. Then D for the dropper tool, click that one. And then S select tool, click that one. Actually, that looks pretty similar. It's like an orange, it's supposed to be orange, but yeah, let's just go ahead and grab this orange. So shift click, and up until you find them all. So this scene is like handing over portal gun. He looks so cool. Oh yeah, I need to add the little. It's an important detail because it does add that shape. In the original, it had this little like dip right here. It looked like this almost, and it does add shape right there. It does shape that a little bit. I tried doing it there, but I might need to fix that one. That's better. Okay. Yeah, so on the bag, it's got to say something. What would it be saying? Oh, just like a happy face? Oh, no, I should have done Pogger's face. Let's do Pogger's face. So weird. Fill. Do like a whites, off-white, creamy white. And we just go ahead and fill these black. A little bit of depth with press Control D. Make it smaller, turn it white. I'll highlight on the eye there. Same with this one. Control D, Shift, Control, and then scroll so it keeps its uniformity. Look how cool that is. And we're just gonna fill this black. And we'll do this white. That's funny. And let's do like that. Exclamation point. Oops. It's a little thick, actually. It looks like. Yeah. Gotta thin it out a little bit. And then maybe make the colors a little bit brighter, or make the stroke a little bit bolder. I like Colorado. I really want to go to like Portland or Denver. I've never been to Colorado, so I'd love to go. Now where to position it. Maybe since that part's red, it's gonna be hard to distinguish it. Let me try it like yellow or blue. Like blue. Whatever, we'll just leave it. Okay. There's gonna be so many details in this thing. Save button. Before I forget, I need to go in and so far I've been drawing the whiskers coming out from here. There are some instances where it's coming from here. And it'd be like over here, I guess. Which that looks more like it, but then again, a cat probably would have some whiskers coming out of here. Probably this disorderly too. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. That looks hilarious. Like a bunch of whiskers. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. That's actually kind of cool. See, that's why this one looks so weird. No whisk. They're jumping frames. I'm gonna leave that. Oh yeah, make some of them look stupid long. Yeah, that looks fine. Wait, let me make this one a little bit longer. Maybe curvier. Okay, not that long. This one needs to be like this way more. Imagine that'd be like getting in your lip right there. So you're like every time you talk. I like this detail. Like clack, clack, clink, clink. Should it be clank? I like clack, clack because it's like metal hitting wood. If it was metal hitting metal, it'd be clank, clank. But metal hitting wood, it's more of a clack sound. That's what's that called? Is that onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia. Wouldn't want to be ya. Oh yeah, let's give him blue jeans. this frame's just got a pair of Levi's on. Color in the sword. It would have been cool if I gave him the Master Sword from Legend of Zelda. Okay, let's do the tricolors again. D, boom. U, boom. D, uh, boom. U, boom. D, boom. Those shortcuts, they're gonna save us a lot of time. Oh, S. Shift click, send. So cool. Oh my gosh, dude, this is like the coolest thing. I'm geeking out about it. Shield. Their shields are down. Okay. This is when we can do the I'm not gonna do it that far away from it because then we're gonna have so many white spots. Perfect. Now we this color. And the sides we're gonna probably have to do new colors on those. This part here is gonna give shield that 3D depth. He's just kind of like got it rested against himself. Let's do dark, more red later. Light on this one, more yellowish. And on this one, lighter or darker? Let's go a little bit darker. No, keep it similar shade like that. And on this one, we're gonna do dark, but more red. That's not bad. That's not bad. Nope. So, if you were watching the other video, I was gonna do a circle to cover over here. Cover these lines that are intersecting here. Just so you don't have to delete them, you can just a circle, make it the same color as the outside. Leaves you a little room in there to draw. Let's see if I remember how it looks. Don't, don't. If it's not this, then I'm just gonna keep this. And then it had like a bomb. If it's close enough, I'm happy with it. Oh, that's a nice green right there. Green is perfect. Oh, wait, this is a dilemma here. Wait, never mind, I got it. There's going to be conflicting layers with this one and that one, but that seems to have done pretty well. Like, that looks cool. this one, it's not gonna have that though. Maybe I can. Yeah, I can add it. I can add it. We'll add little details showing you that it is there. It's obviously just covered by the sword. Well, that's good enough for me. That's a nice green. I really dig that green. Fine. It looks like the frog's getting squished. Like there's a frog on the shield and they're just getting squished. Let's let's actually just kind of as a little detail just to be funny, add little like little details that makes it look like it did get squished. Oh, it looks that looks even. Phil, Dr. Phil. And yeah. That's pretty funny. Oh yeah, like a tiny I'm gonna add an Easter egg. Not an Easter egg, it's just gonna be so tiny you're not gonna be able to see it. Oof. And on this one do like this they're like keeping it in there. Okay. Fix some of these white spots because I noticed them. Some people may not notice them, but I noticed them. And you can't fix them all, but or you can, but I don't. This one, let's get the original color. Stock gray. Send it. That one I'm just gonna adjust it to be darker. Yeah, dark but not completely black. Oh, that actually kind of messes it up. There you go. And then these, if I remember, they're lighter, almost white. Trigger. Oh, yeah. So that's it for this frame. Dude, that's so sick. Okay. Now we need our. So it's gotta be a. Meow. Like you found my thingy thingy. Thingamabob. Moo. And this is just paying respects to the original picture that started all this crap. Or I was too lazy to come up with stuff to write on the board, so I just wrote meow, 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 meow. And frogs make ribbit noises, so I'm gonna make them saying like almost like a Pokemon. Rib, rib. Char, Charmander, Mander, Char. Squirtle, Squirtle. Squirtle, Squirtle. Rib, rib. Ribbit. Rib. Fix the spacing on the letters on these. Oh, keep double clicking. There you go. Move them one at a time. You could also select click all of them, or shift click each little section. Meow. Rib. Let's fix this B. Actually, you don't even need to fix it. Because this B all right. So let's paste. And we'll just kind of move it. Wait, what happened here? Oh, the background frame moved. This is kind of a placeholder frame. See these little boxes? It's just kind of where the drawing is going to be. So that's 30 minutes. I mean, pretty good progress on it. We got another frame done. Did a lot of cool little details. I'm not sure about these. You gotta be there. There you go. That's why. Let me fix this eye. Make it. Whoa. Oh, yeah, that'd be cooler if I did it more flat on this one. Why are there two? Let's just delete that. We're gonna go for one more minute here. Yeah, that's cool. Look how cool that looks. Okay, let's just do that final thing where it's gonna draw star. Let's make it yellow, like bright yellow. No, like flattish yellow. And we send it to behind all these. Let's see, this is where we're gonna play around with the layers, what you want ahead and what you want behind. How would I do that? Here. Is that stuff's behind now? And let's bring stuff up. So yeah, look. We shift click all these. And then home brings them all the way to the top. Ooh, but then we have to worry about where it is relative to the black lines. It can get tricky with so many layers. Since these, I mean, I just lost them. They're down there. I'm not gonna go find them. They're in the trenches now. Just redo them. Boom, boom, 8-ish. Boom. Did that do it? No, still a couple things I need to fix here and there, but like bring this one up. And then send these to the back. Let me just shift down until they're in the right spot, right there. And then the black lines. So this one possibly, and then this one. Send back little by little. Nice, right there. Cool. It is. That looks so sick. And you can also on the stars. Click on the star tool here, and I might not be able to change it already since it's already made, but oh yeah. See, you can change the number of spokes. You can make it more of a flash like that. Keep it to less. It's more of like an old magazine adverts, like grocery store magazine adverts that have just things behind giant spokes like this. All right, that's cool. So we're gonna end it there. That was part 4. Hope you had fun. I sure did. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.